Okay, so I give thought as like a simple probe. Should I leave this club? Yes or no? I'm just gonna catch this on camera. Just to go through how it went. So there's a few swearing because they're idiots. So they say yes, I should go, and then I do. So they say yes, I should go, but I come back saying, "Oh, this is proof and everything." I use my gaming channel for the part of that, but this is a proof that Stampy Cat's club is just full of bullies. Oh. I'm gonna give you the last 1 minute. Haha, you were caught on camera. No, let's say. Well, you were caught on camera. No. I used real Peter McLean. Don't know why it says that. Let me edit that. Yeah. Oops. Hmm. And then I'm gonna put. Oops. And I'm gonna put. See it for yourself. See it. Your. Oh. I'm just gonna keep it brief, okay? So. Oh, there we go. Banana. I don't know why they're saying banana before, but they like saying banana for some reason. Here we go. Can we get this guy banned? Okay. Because he did use the F word. Now I'm gonna put on for YouTube. Oh my. Let's see if we get any response. Yeah, it did get response. And the response is banana. So there we go. Don't know what's the banana joke. There's no banana memes going on. So I don't know what they're going about. I'm back in yesterday and I said that I wanted to just grow my channel, right? So I pulled it up earlier, right? Just there. So I was just doing my usual YouTube videos and now for, well, doing on here. This is my sound. Just, yeah. I'll catch you all out next time. Goodbye.